A tale of Kevin, a regular guy who turned the tide on his luck, transforming the digital world into his personal cash vault. Buckle up as I unveil a saga of struggle, resilience, and triumph that'll spark a fire of possibility within you. Imagine Kevin, just an ordinary individual, setting his sights on a digital dream. He wanted to make money from YouTube, but without showing his face. It wasn't a smooth ride, to say the least. His first attempts were like trying to catch a slippery fish with his bare hands. They slipped away time and again. Video after video, Kevin's hopes took a hit. It was like he was wandering in a dark forest with no way out. His videos didn't grab many eyeballs, and his earnings were as thin as a whisper in the wind. Failure seemed to be his closest companion, but Kevin wasn't one to bow down.
Amidst the frustration and setbacks, Kevin unearthed a wellspring of determination. He embarked on a journey of learning, diving deep into the mechanics of YouTube. He deciphered the hidden codes that turned videos into viral sensations. With each failure, he was piecing together a puzzle, slowly but surely. And then, a breakthrough arrived like a bolt from the blue. Kevin's videos, once languishing in the shadows, started to shine. It was as if the world had suddenly taken notice of his digital prowess. And what's more, the once elusive money started to trickle in, then flow like a river. From a modest $5,000, Kevin's earnings surged to a jaw-dropping $10,000 every single month. It was a transformation that turned his tale of struggle into one of conquest. He'd turned the tables on misfortune, and you can too. Now, my friends, the stage is set for you to step into the spotlight of your own success.
If you're itching to carve your name in the digital realm, then this is your chance. Attend Matt Parr's free webinar where he'll unravel the secrets of how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Picture this webinar as a treasure trove of insights ready to guide you through uncharted territories. You'll learn how Kevin cracked the code and how you can too. No need to face the camera, just follow the blueprint and conquer the digital frontier. Remember, my comrades, setbacks are but stepping stones to triumph. Channel your inner warrior, equip yourself with knowledge, and set sail toward the riches that await. Kevin's tale is your roadmap, and the webinar is your compass. The path to YouTube success is within reach. Charge forth and claim it. Click the link below.